Hi all, let's see classes and object in C Sharp. A class is a user-defined data type that has its own data members and member functions, whereas an object is an instance of the class by which we can access the data members and member functions of the class. To create a class, specify any access modifier which you want public, protected or internal, and specify the class keyword and specify the class name which you want. If you didn't specify any access modifier before the class, it will take internal access modifier as default and open the bracket and then close. The things which contain inside the class are called class members. Inside that you can specify anything which you want, variables, constructors, methods, properties, anything which you want. Variables or properties are called as data members. Method, constructors, destructors are called as member functions of the class. To access the class members inside another class, you have to create an object for the class by using the class name, and by using that object and the dot operator, you can access variables, methods, and properties. No need to call the constructor explicitly. When the object was created to the class, it will invoke automatically. Let's see an example. Here created a console application. Here created a class with the class name test, and inside that created a member variable and member function. Inside the program class and main function created object for the class by using that object, calling the member variable and assign the value and calling the method. Let's check by running. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.